Hey guys, I'm back again with another hair tutorial. This time is how to do coils. My last one was how to do the pop smoke like cornrow braids. So right now you see me and I'm just detangling my hair with a rat tail comb. In the spray bottle I have a mixture of water and conditioner. This mixture will help to put your hair in a much softer state and it will make it curlier and more easier to coil. Then right now I'm adding gel. Then I'm adding oil to my scalp and some to my hair. The gel really doesn't really do anything, but I just like to imagine that it's laying something down. Here I am again adding more gel. And now is when I start to twist it. And then as I'm twisting, I'm adding more gel on top of the twist so that it could lock kind of. Then when I get towards my end, I comb it out again because my ends are a little bit thicker. And then here I am twisting it. You do this so that it could stay in that state and have the little coil pattern. Doing cornrows and these little coils are great protective hairstyles for shorter hair. Just be careful with this specific hairstyle because if you keep it in your hair for too long, your hair will actually lock. Alright, so that's it. So make sure to leave a like, make sure to comment, and make sure to subscribe and join the jessfashoo gang because I will definitely have more hair videos and other videos as well. Thank you.